that is a mini tornado going not our direction. Too busy watching something crazy. That's definitely something right there. No, it's definitely speeding past us. I mean, it's going that way. Doesn't mean another one couldn't pop up right behind it. That is a tornado in my parents' front yard. Holy crapness. Right near Tracy's old apartments. And it looks like it's trying to switch directions too. There goes the power. That's right over Tracy's apartments, no question about it. Holy snot. Just keep going that way. Just keep going that way. I'm fine.
Oh, God, I want to see it.
You better come because it's about to be gone. Yeah, that's a straight tornado though. I've been watching it for some time. Shut that door. I got my dog. He'll come out.
Yeah.
That is no question about it.
That's the size of the tornado, bud. That's
A double. It's
yeah, trying to spin off food. There's another one goes to the right.
Yep. Oh my God. I've been telling the camera that is directly over Tracy's old apartments, or was. It was a bit ago. There's no doubt about it. Come here, April, quick. You're gonna miss it. You see all the debris? Hey, how about I got the whole video. It's off in the distance now. Did you see all the debris it was getting?